Today, we're at the new Public Works facility for the City of Altoona, Iowa, where RMH Systems recently installed this 5-ton underhung crane. In this video, you're seeing the crane undergo load testing, which is an important step in the commissioning process. Load testing verifies that the crane and supporting structure perform safely and reliably at their rated capacity before being placed into service. This crane was selected to maximize usable floor space while providing an efficient way to lift and move heavy equipment during maintenance or repairs. By suspending the crane from the building structure, the city can move large loads safely and efficiently without adding floor-mounted columns that could interfere. At RMH Systems, we provide complete overhead crane solutions, from engineering and design to installation and startup. Our team works closely with customers to develop crane systems that fit their facility, application, and long-term operational needs. Whether it's an underhung crane like this one or another lifting solution, we deliver systems designed for safety, reliability, and productivity. Our support doesn't stop after installation. RMH also provides ongoing crane inspections, preventive maintenance, repairs, and OSHA-required annual certifications to help keep equipment operating safely and minimize downtime. With local, factory-trained technicians, we're a single-source partner for the entire life of your crane system. Projects like this demonstrate how the right lifting solution can improve safety, efficiency, and productivity. From design and installation to inspections, maintenance, and repairs, RMH Systems delivers complete crane solutions you can depend on. Whatever the challenge, RMH Systems has the expertise and support to keep your operations moving.